हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ज्ञान मोदी केयर में आपका स्वागत है। मेरे चैनल पे मिलता है आपको मोदी केयर से रिलेटेड न्यू अपडेट, अनबॉक्सिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू। अगर आप चैनल पे नए आए हैं तो चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन कर लीजिए ताकि मोदी केयर से रिलेटेड न्यू अपडेट आपको मिलता रहे।
Hello, good Modicare morning. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Mahesh. I have just joined as a consultant and I am here to buy Modicare products. Wow, I must say your setup looks really nice. How did you grow your business to reach this level? I also want to learn and understand.
Sure. Our mentor, Mr. Sameer Modi, always says, if you can dream it, you can surely achieve it. Becoming a distribution point has helped me in building a network and further strengthen my team by providing them good service. It is a matter of pride as one gets recognition both at the company level and within your team. Let me explain. The distribution point acts as a service location for consultants, providing many benefits. Availability of products, product experience and order placement. Ease of ordering for consultants, saving their time, efforts and ordering assistance. Service to the group and downlines, fostering satisfaction for an existing network. A brilliant medium to protect for product demo and training. Conduct new launch activities. Participate in the distribution point contests launched by the company to earn extra incentives. Getting recognized in a company's event. Avail subsidy up to 4% on processed orders. Best practices to be successful as distribution points. A proper branding at distribution point, which should be authorized by Modicare. Sufficient stocks are very crucial for on-spot ordering service to consultants. New product launch merchandising that creates excitement. Product demonstrations and basic product training helps to build product credibility and increase the footfall at the center. Distribution point can also engage prospects, consultants through existing offers and exciting contests. Must follow and work as per the code of ethics. Attend the distribution point induction program and Vistar for the growth of a distribution point owner. And compliance with FSSAI and other applicable registrations is a must.
Wow, thank you so much for taking out time to explain the purpose and benefits of opening a distribution point. It will be my journey to success and financial freedom. My Modicare distribution point, my pride.